Good evening, guys. We're gonna have an interview tonight with the kid that I know for the whole of my life. What is that?
So, what do you mean? I'm your son.
I know. That's why I'm saying like.
Do you know me when you're a kid? When you're 1 year old?
No, I didn't know. I never thought I'm gonna have a Chinese kid. Why are you laughing? Okay. Okay, so the first question is, how do you... Oh, why are you laughing? Come on, this is an interview.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be on,
Facebook.
So, the question is,
Wait, ma'am. I have a question. Why do you poke your teeth a lot in this courtroom?
Because I feel like this is a toothpick. Ah! Stop. So, how do you... my mind is blocking. Christine!